today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable a day-night theme switcher in WordPress. This lets your visitors toggle between light and dark modes, offering a more personalized browsing experience. Start by installing a plugin for dark mode. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WP Dark Mode or simply Dark Mode. Choose a plugin that's popular, well-maintained, and highly rated. Click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, you will see a new menu item, usually under Settings or as its own tab like WP Dark Mode. Click it to open the settings page. Enable dark mode for the front end, so visitors can use it while browsing your site. Consider turning on the floating switcher, a small interactive toggle that hovers on your pages, letting users easily switch between light and dark modes. Preview your site to check how dark mode looks. If the plugin offers customization for the switcher's design or position, adjust it to match your site's aesthetics. And that's it. Your WordPress site now has a day-night theme switcher, enhancing visitor comfort and engagement. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!